If I square to the power cube to the power k is equal to 1, then find the least positive integer value for k for which this equation is true. Also given that I is equal to square root of minus 1. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how to solve this question. Now I square to the power cube to the power k is equal to 1. This is given to us. Now this will be I to the power 6k is equal to 1, and it is also given that I is equal to square root of minus 1. That is I square is equal to minus 1 and I cube is equal to minus I, and I to the power 4 is equal to 1. Now substituting this value of 1 in this equation, we will get I to the power 6k is equal to I to the power 4. Now base are equal, so we will compare the powers. So 6k is equal to 4, which will give k is equal to 4 by 6, which is not an integer. So we can't substitute 1 is equal to I to the power 4. So next value when we will get 1 is I to the power 8. Now substituting this value of 1 in this equation, we will get I to the power 6k is equal to I to the power 8. Now again base are equal, so comparing the exponents, we will get 6k is equal to 8, which will give k is equal to 8 by 6, which is again not an integer, so we can't substitute value of 1 is equal to I to the power 8. So the next value when we will get 1 is I to the power 12. So substituting this value in this equation, we will get I to the power 6k is equal to I to the power 12. Now comparing the exponents, we will get 6k is equal to 12 or k is equal to 12 by 6, which will give k is equal to 2, which is an integer. So k is equal to 2 is the least positive integer for which the given equation is 2. So this was the answer for the question. Hope you understood all these steps. There is another method also from which we can calculate the value of k. So this was the question. So this can be written as I to the power 6k is equal to 1. Now let us take k is equal to 1. So this will become I to the power 6 is equal to 1. And also we are given that I is equal to square root of minus 1. So I square is minus 1. I cube is equal to I square into I, that is minus 1 into I, which is minus I. And I to the power 4 is equal to I cube into I, that is minus I into I, which is minus I square, and that is 1. And similarly I6 is equal to minus 1. But here we have I to the power 6 is equal to 1, so condition doesn't satisfy. So let us take k is equal to 2. So this equation will become I to the power 12 is equal to 1. Now I to the power 12 is equal to I to the power 6 whole square, which will give minus 1 square, which is equal to 1. Here I to the power 12 is 1, so condition is satisfied for k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 will be the least value of k for which the equation is true. So hope you understood all these steps. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.